Alright, we're on our way out to 11 Mile. Tonight's only supposed to be down to 20 or so it shouldn't be too bad. I got the heater, got the sleeping bags, and the tent. Now I'll show you that once I get set up and get out there. But here we are. We are on the way. More in a bit. There we are, going over the pass, going over, getting close to Woodland Park. Really can't wait to get out to the campsite, get set up. Here we go. This is the beginning of the pass. Turn in about 4 miles. We're turning off into the home stretch to 11 Mile. So we're getting there. Realized I forgot my fishing pole about a little bit ago, so it is past the point of no return. At least it was when I realized it. So we'll go on and we'll just drink some beers, sit by the fire, and see how it goes. All right. Let you know when I get there. See you when I get there. All right, we made it to the site. Just getting set up, getting the tent set up, getting kind of established. It's okay that I didn't finish or get my fishing pole because it's ice fishing right now, and there's a bunch of shacks out there. I've never seen so many in my life out here. But this is 11 Mile Canyon, Colorado. Get some more pictures later. Right now, I'm just going to get set up and maybe do a Steve Wallace step 2. Alright, be back in a bit. Okay, the tent is up. Pretty quick. Had a couple issues, but working through them. I gotta loosen that up so that comes down. Gotta loosen that so that comes down. Okay, now we go. Sit back and enjoy this for a few minutes. All right. So, show you the terrain. Quick 360 view. There's the lake. It's all frozen over right now. Got the truck up and going, all set up. Nice skies. No other campers really near me. All right. So we have the heater going. And it's getting hot in here already. I don't mind my thermals. They were the cheapest ones on Amazon, so I'm like, whatever. So I'm going to try and get my bed kind of arranged. And then we're going to hunker down. Really nice being out of the wind. So, I think in a few minutes, we're going to get dinner started. You know what? I don't think I have a spoon. So we're gonna go with I just gotta go down and get that damn it. I just gotta go and get my my cook set. I'll be right back. Woo! I made it. Okay, this is what we're gonna be cooking on. The fire maple. This. So I got this on Amazon for pretty cheap. Only 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Came with bowl and these little ghetto handles. Boom, see? We got 3 ghetto bowls and okay, well, I could put no, maybe D-ring. And this is what I need. So he gave you a little set of a ghetto fork, ghetto knife. Doesn't really fold too well. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I got silver in the truck, but I'm really not trying to use it. And next up, tonight we're going to be eating some chicken Alfredo. So trying to get something that wasn't gonna splatter. Oh. 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 Okay, that was a disaster. Did not go well, which is a good thing I put my plastic down, which is the reason why I did it. So I knew, knowing me, I always make a mess. I'm a mess king, yeah. So, I'm so glad I remembered to bring these, of all things. Okay. I'm gonna ass crack the window just to be safe. I don't have my carbon monoxide with me. All right, this the fork that comes in this set. It's freaking garbage. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what. Let's do this. Turn it up a hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put a trash bag right here. There, good enough. Stir this again. I mean, this beats, man. Freaking going outside, going to the grill and the fire pit and trying to grill out some hamburgers. No. I believe it's ready to eat. Take it off here. All right, well, I'm gonna tear this up, catch in some hulu, and I don't know, we'll see what's up. Spread out my sleeping bag. We are going to use this as a pillow of sorts for now. All right. Good morning. We made it. I had the worst sleep of my life, and it wasn't because of the tent. It was because I forgot my CPAP and I forgot my pillow. Two things that are very crucial for me to get a decent sleep. But it is what it is. First, I'm going to try and hunker down here, warm up, and then get dressed, and then start tearing down. So we'll see you in a little bit. Peace. All right, next morning, trying to get some coffee going, but my burner's not cooperating, but we'll do. Put a few more logs on there. Oh, yes. All right. We're set up. Oh. It's nice and hot for now. And then we'll start packing it up. But only got down to maybe like 20 last night, so it would have been nice if it would have gotten down to about 13 or 14. I would have been fine. It's kind of weird when you're sitting there sleeping or laying down trying to hope that the temperature goes down a little bit more so you're a little more comfortable in your sleeping bag. Because there's always that line between being too hot and too cold. Then my heater kept going off. I put the heater on, and then after about 30 seconds it would go out. So we'll need to figure that out. Just enjoying this coffee. That is faux show. All right, I got the roof tent up, got it going. We're getting ready to get out of here soon. As you can see, just chilling out for a second. Well, let me give you a view of the landscape. It's the landscape in the back of the truck. My campsite. The remaining little crap I gotta grab before I get out of here, and about wraps it up. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys take it easy, keep watching, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks.